I never come here for this.
Raymond, please allow me to finish. As I was saying, I need to make a change in my life. I need some more stability. I need purpose. And you, Raymond, you're the perfect person to help me with this.
Yo, tell your man. Let me tell you something. You see, you and this coffee, God, me know me shouldn't come here, no. You want me. It's from me here. Look here.
Shh. Sip some more of the coffee. My life is moving like a roller coaster. Very fast pace. And it needs to slow down. I've been shot and I've been shot at. What I'm really trying to say, Raymond, is that I need a change. And you're that change, Raymond. I would like you to be the title sponsor of my company.
You what? Where's that?
Title sponsor? Hold on, wait. You thought I... Priceless! Raymond, listen. I'm starting a support group for at-risk females. And what better person to donate? Well, I mean, you have donated what, $5 million to Masu, a known criminal. The fact that we are teammates and we make a perfect team, I don't see what would be wrong if you donate to a worthy cause.
Angie, you never really need to invite me. Guess so? Just to tell me this, right?
Come now. This is not a phone conversation. This is personal. Look, I have located the place. I have located things that will help with the support group. I mean, let's go. You're perfect.
Angie, how much money all of this going cost me? This personal thing.
Oh wait, I made a list.
This well planned.
Alright, so let me see. Rental for the center, utility bills, constant psychological, lunch, we're looking at $1 million.
Okay, Angie.
US. Look at it this way, Ray. You're doing this in the name of your daughter.
Angie, thank you very much for the coffee. And yeah, I'll be glad to help you. Alright, I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, oh, sure. You know your way out. You know your way in. Sorry, excuse me.
And let me tell you something, you see?
Uh-huh.
You know, when I come back here, you don't think that they can expect from you, know. That me tell you now.
Get up. Get up, get up. Call him.
Call who?
The smarty will just left here. Call him now and warn him.
Warn him about what?
Let me tell you.
Angie, is what happened? Leave something in the yard or something?
Raymond, you up on Rompton Drive?
What?
Just answer me now, you up on Rompton Drive?
Hold on. Is what, you put a track up on the car or something?
When you drive, go straight to the bottom of the road. Turn right, turn left, palm main. Right to the church there, so.
Which church? Hold on. No, man. Let me tell you something. You know, me not in this with you. Angie, let me tell you straight up. What you trying to do, man? Stop me?
Drive faster, no?
So you know me not drive fast. Look here. Me just see a car behind me. Are you that?
Raymond, turn right, park up the car, and turn off your light then. Do it now.
Me warn you about that stuff there, you know. Lower your voice when you talk to me now, Angie. Me and you now work together. You know you take this thing too far now.
Turn right.
Alright, you know what? You say as soon as we done that something now.
Park up. Turn off your headlight then.
What?
The next time I see you, I will explain.
The next time you see me? Look here, at this rate, you know, I don't know about the next time thing, you know.
Holy shit, me will explain this.
Hello? No, man, but you could have never in your right mind. Hang up on me again? Hello? Let me tell you something, you know. This are the last straw.